Am I live? I think I'm live. Welcome to the second stream ever. The second ever YouTube stream. I don't think I've set up my stuff yet. Okay. Well, that works. If you didn't notice, I have a chat now. So I can type stuff. And then, well, you can type stuff and then it'll appear on the left side of the screen. Or the bottom, whichever one the screen is. It doesn't look like anyone's here right now. So I'm just gonna talk to myself some more. Okay, no, there's 2 viewers. There's 2 viewers. No chatters yet. It's only been me. I can't move my mic anywhere. I actually got some music now. I noticed that last time the freaking desktop audio was way louder than my microphone. That's not supposed to be what I'm using though. This song. Okay, that's... From the looks of it, it's a bit louder than my actual mic. One day there will be a chatter, and that day will be glorious. One day. Oh wait, is it doing that thing? Oh, I know that doesn't matter because it's game capture. One day there will be a chatter. Okay. I guess I should just get started with coding. So, last time we were here, I was trying to figure out how to make an AI shoot. And today, I'm going to figure out how to make an AI shoot. What the heck? What is this thing? What is this thing that's stuck on my screen, bro? Okay, let me try something. I'm gonna restart Explorer. Is my chat broken or is just actually nobody talking? I don't think anyone's talking. Silent pro tag. Chat's a silent pro tag today. Okay, that didn't fix it. I restarted desktop, but this is still here. Okay, well that's gonna be annoying. I can't even restart for the rest of the stream. Okay. Where was I? I was going to figure out why the player's not being detected. Right. For some reason, run service is client. It's not getting whether or not the script is running on the client. It just assumes it's on server. Which can't be right. That can't be true. I'm not at home at the moment and I went out of my way to see this. But it's like 9 o'clock for you. What? It's like 9 a.m. Where are you? For the sake of testing, I'm gonna give myself the AI settings folder. And see how it works. And it doesn't. That's weird. Huh. Strange. Okay. Oh, oops. I didn't add any Control Z undo stuff to this thing because I'm not bothered. I think I might have streamed. Okay, no viewers. Freaking hell. I think I might have streamed way too early then. I'm assuming that everyone's still in school or something. Let's check the American time zone. Me talking to myself? Okay, American time zone. AEDT to New York time. It's 5 p.m. in New York. Well, that's not bad. What the hell is everyone? The frick, man. The freak, man. Nobody's watching my stream. Yesterday I streamed too late. Today I streamed too early. Quite the difference. Okay. So I'm using like an ancestry change thing. Oh wait, I don't need to do that for this one. Because this one just handles attachments and stuff. Attachment data. Okay, we have one viewer. We're gonna win. We're winning today. Do we have a chatter though? Perhaps? Perhaps not. Tool ancestry change. Let's see what this does. I don't think it's doing that thing anymore. I think so, actually. Okay, that's super weird. I don't know why it's doing that. Tool ancestry change. If I remove that, it just works just fine. For whatever reason. It even works for him. Makes no sense. It's quite the riddle. Tool ancestry change. Not set up in tool component system. Do I have two setups? I have two setups active. I don't know what to do about that. I guess I'll remove that. I'm confused actually. Maybe I should leave it. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for now, because I don't know what to do about that. Boom, 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 boom. Infinite yield for humanoid. Why would you wait for the humanoid? What's wrong? Oh, it's because it's changing the ancestry. Right. So if car is, if car find first child humanoid, and then you can start waiting infinitely. And this should work. Yep. Awesome. Awesome possum. So for those of you who don't know, this is basically just going to be like a new PvP game that's like styled around Space Campaign, if you know what that is. It's basically just going to be, I don't know, large-scale PvP, which could be fun. I enjoy myself some large-scale PvP stuff. Okay. I don't know if this is the type of vibe where I would really need music. Very lazy music. Okay. This is like the first song library that I found on the YouTube audio thing. It's like the first album. I mean, I kind of dig it. It was all jazz, so it's just gonna be jazz for the entire stream. Okay, so we really need to do some thinking. I wish I had thinking music instead of jazz, but okay. So what am I trying to do? I'm trying to get this guy to shoot. Because he starts shooting. but he's not shooting, which is not what is good. Which is not... Okay, whatever. Anyway, we're just gonna figure out how to make him shoot. Doesn't look like he has any errors from his side. What are these for then? Server storage, store weapons. I don't care, man. I don't care if it's not part of the workspace. Who's requiring it? Who's requiring it in the first place? Server. Server is. But why? What are you doing? Inputs. Required tool handling. You don't need inputs. You don't need inputs. Get out of here. Yeah. 2 cents if you don't get the guy to shoot by the end of the stream. Well, that's easy money. I can just not do anything. I can just play freaking Retail Tycoon this entire time. I just put on Retail Tycoon, never do anything. Easiest 2 cents of my life. But today we're about integrity and progress. Maybe I should add it to the set tool thing. Current tool. Oh yes, put Retail Tycoon, please. It's too early for that. Actually, it might attract more viewers if I do. For my own sake. Well, how about you put on Retail Tycoon and I'll for your own stream. Okay. I don't know how... I think the delay is shorter now. I think. Maybe. Let me see. How the frick do I watch my own stream? I was able to do it here before. Okay. Okay, light mode. As if I don't use light mode. Okay, I got a Valorant ad. Stop. Don't give me a Valorant ad. Okay, watching my own stream. Okay, not bad. Delay's not that bad. It's like 5 seconds, I believe. Because of the fact that the Valorant ad took 5 seconds. And then me watching the ad took another 5. Okay, anyway. We're gonna get to this. We're gonna do this. We are doing this. Man, I actually kind of like this. No, 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 no. Do, 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 do. So I don't need an event then, right? Because I can just require the module itself. Which is kind of weird, because I said the exact opposite thing, like, yesterday. You're still not shooting. You're still not shooting. Oh, what the hell? He is shooting. Just not on my screen. Okay, so this guy is shooting, but for some reason, not for me. Oh, he can reload too. He doesn't shoot again though. That's insane. Wow, the first time we saw this guy shoot. That's amazing. Okay, but there's a different problem now. Rendering. Can he damage me though? Let's see. No way, some actual progress. Yeah, I actually did a bit of coding off stream. Like, literally an hour before I started the stream, I did, like, a bunch of progress. I don't know why. Weird. 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 Right. What I'm not getting is why it's rendering it like that. Doesn't make any sense. Why does it render on the server but not on the client? That's like the first time I've ever seen that. Makes zero sense to me. Because it would appear in terrain. Yeah, it appears on the server but not on the client. That is actually the first time I've seen something like that happen. Like, a model that doesn't render on the client, but only on the server. And I have no idea how that happens. I have zero comprehension of that. Ba 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 ba. Do 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 do. Okay. Attempt to call a nil value. Yeah, well, first I'm gonna patch that bug regarding damage. I think I'm just gonna make it so... Like... Wait, what's the target, though? Damage target. Let's see. I'm getting distracted by the music. Okay. Okay, I guess I'll make a new module for this. I think the issue is it doesn't have a player, which isn't completely necessary. No function module. What was it called? Damage target. And then there was a data. There's a data table that gets transferred over. Data.creator or player.character. Because this would come out as an error otherwise, if I don't put the and in there. And then I can require the damage module. Require game, replicate, yellow general, modules, damage, then damage target, data, player. Yeah. And then on the AI side, I can just do that. No, wait, no. Oh, wait, no. Like this, yep. Yes, sir. How do I make a coding stream interesting? I mean, Retail Tycoon was pretty interesting when I put it on. Okay, I already put that on. It's so jazzy. By adding Subway Surfers gameplay. Right. That was a thing. That was a thing that existed. Damage module, data. I don't need to add a player, really. I don't really need to add a player. Yeah, I don't need a player for this. What am I doing? I'll keep that in there just in case. And because of, you know, dual functionality, I will add a player check. Which basically checks whether or not it's a NPC or a player. Because this is the same tool on both the player. Oh, he's dead. He's freaking dead, bro. He got shot to pieces. It doesn't happen until I switch to server mode, though. For some reason. Because it's only calling it from the server. It doesn't... That's so weird. That's so weird. Why? Like, it's not like I see the bullets when I go back to client. It's so strange. It goes deeper and deeper. This music is kind of perfect for this. Well, it does use the module. Maybe I should just make it use an event. Will that change anything? Yes, it makes him stop shooting. Okay, I can bring this back, because I guess I hid that. Good thing I didn't delete it. Turns out I actually needed it. Attack bull. Should be working, shouldn't it? Okay, it doesn't print anything there. That's really, really weird. Is it because I'm requiring the input before I shoot? I think so. Let's try this. Oh, 67. We're gonna wait for a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it doesn't do anything. Am I getting the get input? This is like trying to figure out what your girlfriend wants. Okay, it prints it properly. But it doesn't shoot it properly. Which is doubly strange. I have more music that I can play. This is my uh-oh music. It's like, uh-oh. Oh no! What are we going to do? This is terrible. This is awful. There's nothing we can do here. And then you have the angry one. I am fed up with this. I am done playing games, boy. I am finished. And then you have the sad one. Which isn't really sad, it's just... I think it's more pessimistic. I wish I had more things I could play. I have like my sound effects folder. Okay. Okay, I'm done playing with that. Back to this. Okay. Get input event and fire. But why doesn't it fire? Well, it does fire, I think. It probably does. Did I make it print this already? I think so. Let's try this instead. Script .parent input event connect function, and then print got fire. It's a lot of debugging. It gets fired from the start. It does get fired. from the very, very beginning. But I guess that means the input module doesn't get it in time. Or maybe input modules just aren't able to fire. Do I make it require input? This music is so funny. Maybe I'll try this. I don't know, it's a bit weird, but I'll try it. Still nothing. What is going on? Boom, 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 boom. Input event. Okay, well, now it's not doing that, which is doubly weird, because now this isn't working. Okay, well, no, it does work, but why? But why? Get input event fire attack. It's simple. These are simple instructions. Oh my gosh, okay. I'm gonna lock in. I'm locking in today. Well, it's able to get it from the server. Does it print it? I forgot if it prints or not. Not from that one. Only from server. Huh. So my issue is that it doesn't print. Oh, wait, did I make it use require inputs? Wait a second. Require current tool handling. Oh, I'm a dang idiot. Oopsie. Uh-oh. Oops. Well, I guess that's why I went wrong. Because it's not using inputs, it's using the handling. It's using the handling server. If I had wind music, I would play it, but just that. Okay, well that kind of works. We're back in business. We are back in business. Script.parent. And then, well, since I'm in the module, I can just sort of do that. Can I? Yes, I can. Let's see. Let's see if it shoots. It's still not shooting. Hold on. Pause the optimistic music, and it's not shooting. Get angry. I am so done. I am so done. It's been like this since day one. What the hell, man? What in the Sam hell? Okay, I'm done being angry. I'm gonna go back to this. Or that. I don't need this then. What am I doing with this? I'm going in circles. So it's requiring the handling module itself. Okay, ECMO 2 with the Get input event. Fire attack. Ooh. Well, it most definitely gets it. It does not. Huh. Super weird. Why did I remove the print? And why is it not doing it anymore? Dude, you should host a no big deal game night someday. Good game. Yeah, I've been obsessed with that game since, like, forever, man. I mean, maybe, I don't know. Maybe one day. I'm not super down for the idea, though, so someone else has to do it. I should probably add the Discord link to, like, the description. Maybe later, because I can't find the invite link. I would, but you never gave me the game night role. Rather, you took it away. You never asked, though. You never asked to get it back. If you're gonna host it anytime soon, ask me for it and I'll give you it. Okay, where the frick? What the hell is this? Input event. It's not a crossfire thing. Why does it not event? Is it getting it from the server? Does it think it's a freaking client? Okay, print is player. And I'll print the parent. It doesn't require in the first place. What the hell? Why? Oh, because I removed the thing it needed. Okay, yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, handling, and then handling equals require current tool handling. Okay, and now it should work. I mean, he's holding it up again, but it's not doing it. No, the emulation is a lot easier. If you just replicate it, if you just replicate the exact effect instead of, you know, making it compatible, it's a much easier. But I guess long run wise, it's less easier. Because you'd have to, you know, write a bunch of code for, like, a bunch of different things. But if it's compatible, then you don't even have to. Although it takes more effort, as we see right now. It does do it. It does do it. What? Okay, as a test, I'm gonna do this. Attack, true. Attack, true. Okay, weird. I guess it doesn't work as a table value. Attack, true. I guess it doesn't work as a table value, does it? It should, though. Attack. Attack. Right? Attack. And true. It doesn't. Interesting. Interesting. Module. Attack. Okay, I guess that fixes it then. Because I don't really need a colon. It's just for stylistic purposes. And now, this should work. But why did I do that? Why did I do this? I didn't need to do this. I could have just used the earlier solution. Because this doesn't fix the thing that I was dealing with. So I'm gonna just undo everything I did, because I would rather use the input module. Let's do it. Undo, damage target, and then require the inputs. Yep, alright. We're back. We're back to full circle. This tends to happen a lot for some reason. Okay, so now what we need to figure out... Wait, what? Projectile handler, send bullet. So you're working on SC or... What do you think this is? What do you think? Well, it's not SC, but it's just an SC PvP like. Not PvP like, it's a SC PvP spin-off. Projectile handler, send bullet data. It does send bullet. Okay, bruh, I don't know. True. I ain't a dev, I'm a writer. Yes. Okay. Hit event, bindable event. If run service is server. Filter table. Do I send a character with it? I don't think I did. I don't think I did. No, I didn't. Oh gosh. This should work with the server. I do not know what projects you're working on, that's my point. Okay. I mean, yeah, fair enough, you don't really know this. Cost bullet, hit target. Projectile. This should work then. Why is it not working? Print. Eoi. Just to see if it works. Okay, so it's not thinking it's a player. So that's good. But what is it thinking? I don't think this has a server thing. More music. I need more music. This is so weird. It only fires when I go into current... when I go to server mode. That is so weird. Why? How is that possible? It must be to do with how ByteNet works, but ByteNet isn't... ByteNet is not at play right now. I think I can get rid of this. Damage module, projectile handler. Send bullet. This one is definitely more of a solo expedition. Because nobody is watching. One viewer. Which is okay, because I get that. I guess that means I can still document in my head about what's going on. Okay, so our current issue is, for whatever reason, I'm gonna put it here, I guess. For some reason, to do comes out as bold. Okay, so our current problem. What the heck? No, get out of here, AI. Our current problem is. No, AI, stop. Stop, AI. I don't need this. I already did all that, okay? Okay, my current problem is only shoots in server mode. That is what I know at this exact moment. Which could mean it's not a cost bullet issue. Maybe it's to do with the handler. Maybe the handler only... Oh! It's the run service thing. That's what is going on. It's the freaking run service thing. Because for some reason, I guess some priorities don't exist. For some reason. Okay, let's see. Render priority. I'm going to open documentation. And then we can see what's going on. Alright, let's see. First, second, input, camera, character. Bind to render step is not a server thing, right? Can bind to render step be used on server roblox? Can only be called on the client. Oh, well, that's why. Freaking heck. Okay, now we know. Now we know what's going on. We know what's going on now. Alright, I locked in. This is a win. We win, boys. We have won. We won this day. We got... I don't know how to make lyrics, so I'm not... Did it stop? No, it didn't. That's just how the song sounds. We have won this day. We got this in the bag. And that's a cool thing. Okay. Okay, I gotta figure out what the hell all these ends are. Okay, there we go. No errors. And I don't think I need to do anything for delta time. And now, it should work. Freaking hell! We win! We have won! I am so happy. Get fricked. Except he doesn't die yet. Doesn't die properly. He's got some animation issues though, but I'll worry about that later. Let's see if the effects will work. Whoa, some even more progress. Yes, absolutely. You came back at the exact perfect time, because I figured out what was going on. So, my issue was basically bind to render step. This only works on a client. It makes it easier to unbind when you're using bind to render step, because you can just do like unbind from render step. But if you're using something like this, you have to do something like freaking shooting detection, disconnect, shooting detection equals nil, and then after all that you have to do like if shooting detection then end. But compared to run service, you can just do unbind from render step and set a name, and you know, it's much easier. But I think someone must have created a module that replicates this. Explosion. Are you trying to see if you can appear on the freaking screen? Okay. But we know what's going on now. Where does the unbind stuff come in? Unbind. Hey, what's up, PC head? Now I'm gonna finally get chatters. Now there's finally gonna be people talking in chat. No, I just got here, LMAO. Nice. Sup? What's up, man? You know what? I think I should start streaming at 10 AM instead. Because right now it's 10 AM for me. And just everyone got here. Okay, we're gonna restart the stream. No, we're not gonna restart the stream. Let's just pretend everyone got here. Hey guys, welcome to... It's 12 AM here? What the frick? I can't win. Why can I not win? I can't win with these time zones. Welcome guys to the second ever studio stream. Today we're going to be looking at the AI thing again. Nah, it's okay. No, it's not. Nobody showed up until right now. We have 4 viewers now. Dude, this is the most viewers I've had in this entire stream. No way a new stream is here? No way? Absolutely. Correct. And I think my delay is like a lot smaller now. And the quality should be better because I bumped it up to 400 kilobits. Which is still not enough for YouTube standards, but I can't do anything about that. It says it's excellent. Anyway, let's get started. So last time we were doing something, but then that doesn't matter anymore because I made like 3 hours of progress on it. This guy shoots now. This guy shoots now. And before he wasn't. What the frick? Why is my hands doing this? Sorry, I was watching Wrong Turn movie with my brothers. You took the wrong turn, brother. You took a wrong turn, my guy. Wait, you're recoding AI? What do you mean I'm recoding AI? I'm just continuing where I left off. He finally know how to use a gun. Yes, that is true. Okay, so if is player, then I can unbind all that, because if I try unbinding from render step, it just doesn't work. I mean, you're making your own AI? Yeah, I am. Yeah, I am. Yeah. Like, based on marine AI? Oh, I'm not gonna base it on marine AI. I'm gonna base it on players. I'm gonna just make an AI that acts like a player. Oh, my nose hurts. I sucked in nose air and then there's water in it. So it shoots well, but it doesn't make the particles. And for some reason this guy still starts shooting at even after like he can't. He can reload properly, but he just doesn't stop. I have music, by the way. I'm not gonna use that one. Which one? This one. Do 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 do. No 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 no. Okay. Okay. To be honest, the only recode I might do is maybe with the friendly bots and maybe with enemies too. The bot is playing pretend with the gun. That is true. Like refactoring, all the time it's not completely necessary, but it does help. Like refactoring, yeah. Refactoring is always nice, but it just takes up a lot of time. And sometimes it's pretty hard. Like right now I'm using like a completely new system that tries to make it be as compatible as it can natively without me needing to like code new behaviors into like the AI itself just to like figure out how to handle a gun. True, you gotta think of the mechanics, and yeah, you also have to think of them from like a new lens as well, because when you're refactoring you just sort of have to, you know, really rethink. Reframe your mind of thinking. The second PC head enters, I'm like, the stream suddenly becomes interesting because I can answer questions related to coding. Shooting detection. Update crosshair. What was I doing? Right. There was some print stuff here that I wanted to remove, which I did, I guess, subconsciously. That's weird. Okay, so the issue right now is the particles. And the thing that he's not stopping. Only shoots in server mode, we fixed that one. So now it's particle, no, hit particles, and guy won't stop shooting. Play metal music, please. I don't listen to metal, mate. I don't even listen to music at all. The reason why I like jazz, JK, oh, you got me. The only reason why I listen to jazz is because because Mario plays it a lot. Super Mario music is entirely made of jazz. And jazz is like the lowest energy song that I can have, which doesn't, you know, distract me. Like, let me just find some metal music right now and see how I act. Audio library. Why does it keep freaking directing me to the channel? Nobody's looking for freaking audio library free music, guy. Ba 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 ba. The alphabet song, but metal. I don't think you can find it on the YouTube library. Play Metal Hellsinger, This Devastation if you want. Well, if it won't get me in trouble with copyright, I will. Okay, metal. Okay. Okay, I'm playing enough by Nefx right now. This looks like the this looks like every coding streamer's stream. A lot of game OSTs are usually copyright. All of them are, because that's how OSTs and stuff works. It's called original soundtrack, so it's copyright. Okay, I'm done now. I don't want to listen to this anymore. It just makes me look like a generic programmer. Back to jazz. So hit particles. Guy won't stop shooting. Maybe I should find more jazz, because I'm running out of jazz music right now. Funky. Okay, hold on. Funky jazz and blues. When is it time for Retail Tycoon? Fine, I'll put on Retail Tycoon. What's gridlock? That's not funky. I can barely hear it. Put that way down. Even though it's kind of nice, I will admit it's kind of nice. I really like it, but you can barely hear it. Jean Petit Tucci, you're really good, but I can't hear that. I'm gonna snowmobile and Retail Tycoon for Faith. Okay. How is that jazz? You know, I'm putting back on gridlock. Wait, what? It came back.